Ulinzi Stars misfired against Posta Rangers, losing 1-0 at the Afraha Stadium in Nakuru in another Kenyan Premier League clash. The scoreline was unchanged in the first half with no goals forthcoming, but the game sparked to life in the second after Gerishon Likono tapped in the winning goal for Rangers. Head coach Boniface Nyangweso made two changes with Omar Borafi and Oscar Wamalwa replacing Ezekiel Okari and Enos Ochieng. The changes did little to spark life in the Ulinzi front line as they finished the game winless.